To create a Trust Wallet Face ID login, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings menu, which is usually represented by 3 lines or a gear icon. In the Settings menu, look for the Security options and select it. Under the Security options, you will find the biometric login settings, which include Face ID for iOS devices and face recognition for some Android devices. To enable Face ID login, toggle the switch next to Face ID to the right. You will be prompted to enter your wallet password to confirm the changes. Enter your password and select Confirm or OK. Your device will then prompt you to set up Face ID, which involves scanning your face. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your face, which may involve moving your head slightly to capture different angles. Once the Face ID setup is complete, go back to the Trust Wallet app and try logging in using Face ID. Look at the camera on your device to authenticate, and you should be logged into your Trust Wallet account. Best practices for using Face ID login with Trust Wallet include making sure your device is updated with the latest software and security patches, using a strong wallet password, and being cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your wallet. By following these steps, you can create a Trust Wallet Face ID login and add an extra layer of security to your cryptocurrency transactions. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and follow best practices to protect your assets.